We have made it in. Got our parking spot. Yes. That one makes a lot of power. Supercharge. Oof. All right, let's lock the car and let's go look at cars. Come on, ready? Let's go. It's a Nissan. Look at this Supra. Oh man, there's a lot of cars and you worry about the motorcycle? ETRs. Come on, guys. What's that? What car is that? What car is that right there in front of you? It's a Corvette. You see the Lamborghini? Beautiful R8, Porsche, Lambo. Oof. Yes. It's nice, huh? There's more inside. Come on. That's an old school one. Another Lamborghini. This is a Gallardo right here. Look, Bella. Corvette. That's a Maserati. Yup. Probably a track haul. What is it? Corvette. How you know it's a Corvette? How you know it's a Corvette? Because of what? Oh, look at this one. It's red. Look at this one. And he got the little one. You know what that is? It's a Maserati. Come on. Just keep looking. Come on. Let's see what else we can find. A what? What is it? That's not no Charger, boy. Oh, that one? Yeah, you're right. Okay. What is it? What type of Charger is it? What is it? What does it mean when it has that? Yeah. See, Bella's smart. Yup. Mustang. Wide body. Looks good, huh? Oh, man, that's a lot of them. A lot of Mustangs. A little crowd cooler. Which one you like more? You like the Lambo or you like the Subi? Why? Come on, guys. Come on. Let's go over here. Look at that. What car is that? A Honda. Yup.
I know it's a Honda if it was like that.
What is it? It's a Type R. It's a Honda Type R. Come on, Bella. Another Subi. Look at that Subi. That Subi's clean. A lot of cars. Yup, you know what that is, right? It's a Honda. Hey, you got big old wheels. That is 86. It's a Toyota. Look at the truck, big old truck. That's it. I don't think there's no more. I think we gotta turn around. Where and where? Okay then, come on, let's go. Alright, I'm about to cut the video real quick. I'll get back on when we get to some other cars. Well, let's look at this Mustang. Look, got a turbo Mustang. Look at that thing. You got big old tires.
I didn't really go too big. I'd rather spoon than they just be maxed out.
Yeah.
Well, that's what we did too. It's got a button.
See, look, boss. He's gonna park by the Lambo. I told you. Oh, yeah, huh? He's parking by the Lambo. Told you. Yeah. Get off the grass, you guys.
Yeah.
You guys, come on. Go this way. It's a lot of Evos. There is 4 Evos, I believe. 2 red ones, yellow, gray. Look, see the Lambo's about to park right here. I told you. Cause you stand on it with your feet. You could do that when you're the boss. Look at that, supercharged Lamborghini. Look at this McLaren real quick. That Bella thought it was a Ferrari. So what is it again, Bella? You thought it was what? This is no Ferrari, it's a McLaren. Looks good though. These people are driving way too fast on that curve. Oh, this sounds way better. Oof. Better than stock for sure. You hear that?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Sound like fucking gunshots. Shit.
No flames?
A little bit.